Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick walkthrough, I'm going to show you how to add a new slide in Google Slides for the full 2026 guide. It's super simple, and yeah, you'll be able to build your presentation faster once you know these options. All right, let's jump right in. So first, just open up the Google Slides file you want to work on. You can pick a recent one or create a new blank presentation, whatever you need for your project. Once your presentation loads, look over to the toolbar at the top. There's a menu called Slide, and this is where most of the layout and slide level tools live. We're going to use it in just a moment. Now, here's the main part. To add a new slide, just click the Slide menu, then choose New Slide. Or if you prefer shortcuts, you can hit Control plus M on Windows or Command plus M on Mac. Either way works the same. After the new slide appears, you can change its layout if you want. Maybe you need a title slide, maybe a two-column layout, whatever fits your content. Just open the same slide menu and click Apply Layout. Then pick the style that works for you. And if you need, like a bunch of slides in a row, you can right-click any slide in the left sidebar and choose Duplicate Slide. This is great when you want the same layout or formatting without starting from scratch every single time. And that's it. That's how you add a new slide in Google Slides for the full 2026 guide. Pretty simple, right? If this helped you out, feel free to like the video, subscribe, and yeah, hit the bell so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching.